In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change page size in Figma. If you're just starting out with Figma, or even if you've been using it for a while, resizing a page or frame can sometimes be a bit confusing. But don't worry, I'll walk you through it step by step so you can do it with ease. Alright, let's dive right in. First things first, head over to your browser and navigate to Figma's website. You can do this by typing figma.com into your browser's address bar. Once you're on the site, you'll see the option to log in. Go ahead and click login if you've already got an account. If not, you'll need to sign up, but today we'll assume you've got that set up. After logging in, you'll be directed to the Figma homepage. This is your base of operations where you can access all your projects and files. From here, locate the project you're working on or where you'd like to change the page size. Next, click on the Design tab. This is where all the magic happens. In the design area, you'll find all sorts of controls and options to bring your creative ideas to life. However, for our task today, we're going to focus on frames. Now, to actually change the page size, select the Frame tool. You can find this in the top toolbar, or quickly access it by pressing the F key on your keyboard. Frames in Figma are quite similar to artboards in other design software. They define the boundaries of your design space. Once you have the Frame tool selected, click and drag to draw a frame on your canvas, or select an existing frame that you want to resize. If you're resizing an existing frame, make sure it's selected by clicking on it. You'll know it's selected when you see the blue outline with small square handles around the edges. To adjust the size, hover over one of these corner or side handles. You'll notice your cursor changes, indicating you can click and drag. Simply click one of these handles and drag to your desired size. You can resize freely or hold down the Shift key to maintain the proportions of your frame. As you drag, you'll see the dimensions displayed, helping you get that precise size you're aiming for. And that's it, you've successfully changed the page size in Figma. Remember, the flexibility of Figma allows you to adjust these dimensions anytime as your design needs evolve. And that's one of the many wonderful things about using Figma, it grows with your project's demands. If you have any questions or tips you'd like me to cover next time, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy designing, and I'll catch you in the next one.